Hello, my name's Jackie and I'm part of the VisionsLive team. I'll be sharing with you today some of the capabilities of our online bulletin boards. To access your own VisionsLive demo or live account from the login prompt on the VisionsLive website, you will first enter your email address and the unique password that has been provided to you. From the View Modules menu option, you will select Next Gen Boards Manager to access the asynchronous Boards module. You can select a project that has already been created, or you can add a new project by entering the project name and referencing the end client and selecting the appropriate language. The moderators who will be working in the project will be assigned at this stage. Now select the project. Once you have opened the project, you will see the dashboard area. From the main dashboard menu screen, you can create a new bulletin board by clicking on Create Board. Following the steps in the wizard, you will create your new bulletin board. Choose a private and a public name for the board. Remember that the private name will only be visible to the moderators, but the public name will be visible to moderators, observers and respondents. Select the correct start and end date and time for the bulletin board. Select the language that the respondents speak, and if you are copying a board that has already been created, please select it here. You can upload an image such as corporate name or logo to have along the top banner in the bulletin board. Next, choose the background theme. You have a number to choose from, or you can have a new one custom made for you. To add the discussion guide questions and the stimulus, go to Edit Board Content. Here is where you would create different sections representing topics or days, if a diary type board is required, or if you want to set daily tasks in a set order. Within each section, you can create your questions to explore the topic, or give your respondents tasks to do, such as take and upload photographs or a short video clip. Or you can show some media, such as promotional video, and ask the respondents to rate it and give their opinions. You can dictate using the access type settings, where the respondents can see each other's answers and discuss, or a private diary or closed setting. You can create several different types of questions with various response types. Respondents can answer questions by interacting with a whiteboard, for card sorts or collages, using the heat mapping tool for concept testing, writing text answers, or answering single or multi-selection polls. You can even filter respondents to different sections or questions according to their profile. This can be uploaded and predefined, as with this board, where there are equal numbers of males and females invited to take part, or respondents can be redirected according to an answer they give to a question or poll. This allows you to more easily get unbiased or influenced answers from different respondents invited to a board, or you can avoid asking questions that do not apply to respondents who do not fit the required profile. Once you are happy with your questions, and you can even invite yourself to a test board to check them out before inviting the live respondents, you can then add your recruited respondents into the project. Select and copy multiple participants from a pre-prepared Excel spreadsheet and paste the data. You will see that all of the respondents' information has been saved to the project. You can add your participants to the board now or at a later stage when you are ready. Next, create the invitation to be sent to respondents and observers. And finally, confirm all information before finishing. Once respondents have been invited to the board, they will receive their invitation via email with their own unique link to access the board. When respondents click on the link, they are taken to the first question. Respondents can change their profile pictures by clicking on their name at the top of the board or their avatar and attaching a file. Once the bulletin board has started, a moderator would be able to see who had logged in, made any posts, and to view their answers. And they would click on View Discussion from the board menu to start moderating the board. New posts made since the last time the board was viewed will be highlighted in bold. You can navigate either by using the previous question, next question buttons, or selecting the question from the navigation menu. The different response types ensure that the respondents are fully engaged. From a threaded text discussion to a whiteboard answer type, a multi-selection poll, heat map concept or ad testing, to some interesting collages. For mobile-enabled boards, you're able to capture the respondent's geolocation. Very useful for activity-based boards, where it is important to know that the respondent was in a particular location when they made the post or observation and added a picture or video clip. Moderating the posts is simple, using a number of easy tools where you can reply to a post, to probe to get more insight or clarification. You can rate the answer with a number of stars. You can also make notes and add tags to answers that you may want to discuss with your client or review in the transcripts. Observers are allowed to make comments unseen by the respondents, to be picked up and followed up by the moderator as probes, as seen here where observer Yoda has made a comment on the respondent's answer. Any private messages replied to will create a notification in the navigation menu. When the board has been launched, the moderator can view at a glance the respondents who are most active from the dashboard and chase up if they have not logged in using the send message icon. This can be sent via email or SMS message as preferred, and push notifications are possible from smartphones. In addition, as the discussion progresses, the View Statistics menu option allows a close look at the participation for the questions and board as a whole, or for individual respondents, including noting whether their posts were made from a PC or mobile phone. You can download the transcripts at any time, either during the board or when it is finished. You have various options for downloading transcripts. You can download by individual respondent responses, or per group or profile, and also any notes or tags made during the moderation of the board will also be able to be accessed. You can choose if you would like to download the entire board in one go, or by section or question, and options are for HTML, web page showing text and media, Excel or CSV formats. Also, all media captured such as collages or picture and video attachments are able to be accessed for review, analysis or inclusion in your own report to the client as examples. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful in providing a small insight into the uses and applications for online research using the VisionsLive V+ boards.